What's up everyone, I'm Alan Morrow and welcome to my Trance Plucks and Leads sound design tutorial in Silent 1. If you find yourself constrained by the sounds you have rather than the sounds that you want due to a lack of sound design knowledge, then be sure to check out this 90-minute in-depth tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how I create multiple different types of trance leads and pluck sounds. I'll be showing you how to create nice thick warm plucks, delicate little plucks, Trance Super Saws, square leads, and more classic Trance Style leads. And as an added bonus at the end, I'll be showing you how I kind of mix them all together. I'll be going over the anatomy of the plucks and leads and showing you how you can actually go from a pluck into a lead. I'll be giving you a deep understanding of why each parameter is changed and what it's doing. We'll be looking at what sort of different waveforms you can use for different types of sounds. You'll gain a deep understanding of how to improve your plucks and add more depth to them using the mod envelopes. We'll be looking at voicing and detuning, as well as how to use LFOs to create more movement and modulation within your sounds. We'll be looking at using different filters for different outcomes and how you can use the ADSR to kind of shape your sound to how you want it, along with much more. So if you find that you're really struggling with your sound design or have presets that you really kind of want to change but not quite sure where to turn to, then be sure to head over to alanmorrowstudios.com and grab your copy now.